Hi, this is Scott Kelly with VentilationKits.com and SK Fresh Air. And today I'm going to show you what we're doing on our website, and we're going to try to help you duct your ERV. So really, basically, you bought an ERV, now what? You got to duct it. So what you can do is you can go to VentilationKits.com and you can see that we actually have a solution for all the ducting that's needed to go to each room from the manifolds that are connected to the ERV or HRV, and any brand will work with our manifolds. So on our website, you're going to see that we have manifolds for fresh air and stale air, and we have 4 different sizes of manifolds, and we have various configurations of those kits. But basically, a kit includes all the 3-inch tubing. It includes all the snap-click parts to your diffusers, your grills, the finished grills, I should say, and everything you need to install the ERV that you purchased. So if you would go to our website at VentilationKits.com, you will be able to see some long versions of ERVs being installed. So it's kind of like a how-to place as well. There you're going to see what the snap-click parts look like. It's really simple. There's very few. There's a ferrule, there's an elbow, there's a diffuser boot, there's hanger bars, finish grills. So there are 4 convenient sizes, and contact us and let us help you plan your system and what size kit might be best for your home.